But again, we're very hopeful that DEMAs will move relatively quickly, as they are prone to do. And obviously, as soon as we have that, then we will mobilise everything as quickly as we possibly can.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Georgina Energy CEO, Anthony Hamilton. Tony, very good to speak with you today. You've completed the preliminary site inspection at your Hussar Helium project. Take us through what that entailed and what you discovered there.
Thanks, Stephen. Yes. Our consultants were actually on site from the 18th of November. Myself and John Hugh arrived there on the 23rd. And the primary objective was to complete a heritage monitoring, a flora and fauna survey, environmental impact study, and then the civil engineering for the site, the airstrip, and the access roads to allow drill rigs and the equipment to be mobilised to get onto the site at Hussar, as well as to inspect the water well, which is a potable freshwater well that's located at Hussar.
So these reports are now going to be submitted to the regulators as well as your revised seismic mapping. What are the next steps then as you move towards that permit?
So essentially, as I've said now on numerous occasions, we are required to submit all of these reports as part of our drilling permit application. Once they're all submitted, which is one of the reasons I'm back in Australia, is to ensure all of these reports are filed. They're then lodged with DEMAs, and DEMAs will then review them on the assumption that they're happy with everything they've got. Then on the basis of that, they would then grant us our drilling permit.
Tony, when would you expect to re-enter Hussar and bring Mount Winter to pre-drill?
Well, Mount Winter, at this stage, we are actually hoping to hear formally from the various parties sometime early in December, as I think we've previously said. Once that notification is received, then we'll go to a formalised entry agreement. On the execution of that, then the whole thing will get submitted to the Minister, and he will then approve it and grant the conversion from an EPA to an EP. At the same time, we'll execute a JOA, which is a joint operating agreement, and then we'll move very quickly to finish the reprocessing of the seismic, and then effectively work on a pre-drill program, much the same as what we've done at Hussar. Essentially, everything that we're learning in Hussar, in terms of the protocols and also the challenges, we then take that and replicate that at Mount Winter.
So it should soon be all systems go then, Tony?
Yeah, I mean, it clearly, obviously, we're running very quickly towards Santa Claus and Christmas. But again, we're very hopeful that DEMAs will move relatively quickly, as they are prone to do. And obviously, as soon as we have that, then we will mobilise everything as quickly as we possibly can.
I hope you'll keep us posted on progress. Thank you very much for the update today, Tony.
Thank you, Stephen.
That's Georgina Energy CEO, Anthony Hamilton.